All right, we're here out in sunny New Hampshire before we get the first snowstorm, nor'easter. So if you're in the Northeast, anything blizzard's usually called like a nor'easter. It usually has to be above like a certain feet. But I'm gonna be flying over here. This is the park that I go to. It's like I had a doctor's appointment out here in Derry, New Hampshire. So I usually come and try to check out it's like a town hall, but try and do something cool, like a fucking Maddie flip or something in there. Like I know how to Maddie flip, I swear I'm not that bad, guys. And then after this, my next video, I don't have my mini through with me, but DJ, I will never send me.
Please send the girls.
This is the sound that the gods will pick up the clouds. Live rounds on the guard to strip man down. These vibes for the night, while the highest right take flight. We need sideways, you must the sky. Groovy, we Bobby Bird, James Brown and Bootsy, College Phil. Feel it in the air, that real. Feel it in the field, feel it in the air, that's real. Feel it in the field, feel it in these frills. You got the chill. Like they're bringing anything to the table. Bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able. I do my own bits. Limited dissonance and missing classy shit. I know that you're feeling it. Blunt rolls and a black pouch. Roaming back streets around south. All my boys, you hear that loud. Feel the vibe when they blast out. Now let me show you exactly what we all about. I'm on the sound, all the season back around. No more summer down.